If you're planning a nice fish dinner, you have come to the right place. Today we are going to cook a sea bream in foil. If you stay there, I'll share all its secrets with you. Let's start with a sea bream. Mine are already clean, but I'll show you how to do it. First of all, you have to cut into the belly with a pair of scissors and remove the entrails. Then you have to scale it. To do this, just use the back of a knife blade and run it against the scales. This is in the opposite direction. Finally, you can rinse your sea bream and start cutting at the fins, like I'm going to do now. I'll start with the side ones, then the dorsal one, and finally, the ones on its belly. And now that my sea bream is clean, I can flavor it. Some thyme that I'm going to put inside the belly, the parsley that I'm going to chop, and I put the parsley inside. Then a nice pinch of salt and pepper, half a clove of garlic, and half a slice of lemon. And to finish, a nice drizzle of oil. The first is ready. I can place it on baking paper that I have put on aluminium foil. Let's sprinkle it a little more with the parsley. And let's start wrapping it with baking paper first. And then with foil. Let's seal it well. And place the first sea bream on the dripping pan. Here we are, ready for cooking, in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. It will be a truly unbeatable dinner with this perfectly cooked and fragrant baked sea bream. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and then let me know.